Hey everyone, I'm gonna show you how to delete your Temu account. So to start, sign into your Temu account. Now once you're signed in, click on New at the bottom center. Once you do that, click on Settings at the top right beside the headphone icon. Once you're on Settings, select Account Security. Now once you select Account Security, scroll down and you should see Delete your Temu account at the bottom. So tap on that. Then from here, make sure you read all of this. Then once done, select I want to permanently delete my Temu account. So click on that and click on continue. Now in here, select the main reason. So choose only one and click continue. But before you can delete your account, you need to verify your identity first. So choose from the choices and they will send you a code based on what you chose. And after that, enter the code in here, then confirm the action, and that's it. The account will be deleted. So that's how you can delete your Temu account. If you find this helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.